sir.
Your Honor, that time when I talked to her about the place and how she keeping the place, and she's home every day. I go to work for at least 21 hours for the day, doing 2 jobs, sleeping 3 hours. She's just nagging me for sex. Your Honor, that place that I was in turned me off completely. I'd find myself like I'm not having no erection. And Your Honor, I told her I cannot have sex because I have no erection in this dirty place. Erection was like it's gone.
I heard you the first time. I heard you the first time.
Your Honor, what I have to do, she knows these pills. She knows these pills.
What is that?
I have to start taking.
Mr. Pullock,